welcome back to Broke Guy Gets Rich, the channel where we break down stocks, commodities, and cryptos and everything money. I'm here to cut through the noise and show you the real moves happening in the markets, whether it's trading opportunities, long-term plays, or just figuring out how to turn knowledge into wealth. If you're trying to grow your bag and get smarter with your money, you're in the right place. So let's get into it, guys. Yesterday, we've been all over the ETH price here, and it's time to give some credit to the bulls. So nice close bulls. We got up here above some moving averages, showing strength, getting up above this cluster, this really messy price action here. And yeah, we got to give some credit to the bulls. We're getting some topside wicks though, guys, so it's not the best looks for the open, but we did open up here, showing strength. Credit to the bulls. Bias, I'm ready to flip if we get some more strength. We're in September. Just stay cautious. We do got some buy pressure. These wicks are evidence, right? But we got some sell pressure. So there's a battle going on right now. I wouldn't want to get in the way of that. So, and we are coming into some stellar resistance. So let's see what happens. Credit to the bulls, though. Credit to the bulls. So let's go look at let's check out the 4-hour first. So yeah, we got a nice push this morning, showing just great strength. But we are taking a relaxer here, kind of flagging up though. So I want to give some credit there, getting some nice support. This might be it. This might be it. I wouldn't. This could happen still, guys. We could give back this entire move. Don't get too optimistic yet. I still feel like we come down and test those lows, and we need bigger divergence action. We need bigger flushes. We need bigger fear. Oops. You guys can see here. This is where we got to take it. So I think this is a great time to really flush out late longs and then possibility. But credit to where credit's due for the bull team, and yeah, credit where credit's due. Let's go down to the hourly. So the hourly looking a little sketch. Getting all these topside wicks here, still flagging up. It's looking decent. RSI falling off. Not the best. Not the best look right here. I'm going to be honest. This looks weak to me. We could get some surprises late night. Maybe another push with a weaker RSI. Negative divergence takes place, and then we dump back. Or we run. Maybe this is it. But still looking a little weak to me. Got a lot of optimism up here too. We're in a good spot. I don't know, guys. Might be time to flip buys for me. Might be time to get long. I'm not there yet. Holding my breath. So looking at the daily again quickly together. Yeah, the candle's collapsing on us here. So if we start to give back, maybe we give back 50%, and we find that's where we find the support. Maybe this is when the tide turns, and then that's what happens when we push. We'll see. A lot of optimism out there, a lot of buy pressure. It's a pickle. It's a pickle. So that's where I'm at with ETH. Let's go to Bitcoin. Daily on Bitcoin, not as good as Ethereum, honestly. We closed under the moving average here, under very significant resistance. Look at this. Look at these areas right here. Boom, boom, pop. We're getting blocked out right here. So let's see what happens. I honestly would like another little push lower. Take out these lows, get a bullish divergence, or go a little bit lower here. We touch that moving average, but looks like it's curling off slightly. Let's go to the 4-hour. So we're getting some strength here. It's attempting to push back up, but also showing some weakness. So, God, it's such a toss-up right now. I have no idea, guys. It still looks weak as hell to me. I think we come back down. That's my take. I could be completely wrong here. I think we come back down. I think we retest these lows. I think the party's going to be over before it began. Yeah. I don't know. Look at the RSI here. God, it's just like curling off as we push. There's just so much buy. Somebody is really aggressively trying to push up price. They don't have the wind behind them, though. So that's where I'm at with Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm watching, guys. I'm watching. I'm in United Healthcare, though. I took a very sizable position in United Healthcare. So I do want to talk about this just to kind of show you guys the opportunity here. So I think this is where the opportunity is. This is a good, nice long-term hold. Look at this reclaim on the monthly. I can't get much better than that. Beautiful reclaim here. We touched, or basically touched. Look at the last time we touched that moving average. Look at this. Back in 2008, 2009. And look at the run that happened after that. Sometimes you just got to dumb yourself down, and when we get the touch, just take it. And I think it's time. We got Warren in there. Got a lot of people in. Just very undervalued. Very undervalued. Good long-term hold. Look at the volume. Another thing to look at is this volume up here. Jeez Louise. Highest volume since this crash. And still higher still at prices. At prices, we're at 300, 250. This was back when it was at 20 and 50. So, extreme volume coming in here. It's a good time to be buying United Health. So let's go back in here. Let's drill down further. Let's go to the daily, see where it landed today. Good thing to look at too is it's just bullish divergence. You can see here clearly. Look at that. Look at that, right? Lower low, higher low. Oops. Bullish divergence right here, guys. And it's clear as day. A lot of strength, little gap up here, reclaim, and we're kind of just flagging. So I think it's time for United Health to run. Get a little relief rally here. Yeah, I think we're ready to go. So we'll see on this one. I'm kind of excited. We'll see. I think we flushed out just about everybody here. And just the believers are left. So it's a good time to be buying, in my opinion. Getting some support here in the 4 hour. I think we have a nice acceleration tomorrow. And think about it, it's a defensive too. So if the market does turn sour for September, it's a good place to be in healthcare. Undervalued healthcare. Think about AI spilling into healthcare too. I mean, have we seen the efficiencies there yet? You know, so yeah, it's looking healthy. It's looking healthy. Looks like it's gearing up to push. Yeah, this is where I want to have my money. So that's it for tonight. You know, maybe let's take a look at SPX really quick, because it's looking a little dicey on these as well. I mean, look at this. Ugh, look at that close. So we're still under here. I feel like we come back down tomorrow. Gap back down. Maybe we gap under this low. I don't think so. That'd be crazy. But it might be a little red tomorrow. I don't know. God, it looks so toppy, guys. Look how toppy freaking SPY looks. Ugh. Look at this RSI. Oh, God. I would not be buying SPY right now. So that's all I got for that. Yep, that's it. We'll see you next time. Good night.